So I had an extra piece of lumber left over from a porch project, and I decided to make it into a very simple shelf project I saw on Pinterest. I measured the plywood the wood, and cut it into 3 pieces, and then picked up some extra cinder blocks I had around the property. Then my father-in-law leveled the area where I wanted to put the shelves.
The block.
I forgot to film all of it, but here it is finished. We basically just stacked pieces of wood on top of the cinder blocks, and then I put extra jars, like old pickle jars and stuff like that, on top. And I will be putting seeds in them and soil come springtime. Thanks for watching.